Feeling famished after a fiery workout? Here's a quick fix. Diet smoothies. Loaded with essential nutrients, they're the perfect post-workout pick-me-up. Picture this, a blend of bananas, blueberries, almond milk, and a scoop of your favorite protein powder. It's not just a drink, it's a powerhouse of energy, ready to refuel your body. Want to turn up the nutrition notch? Add spinach or kale, sprinkle chia seeds, or toss in some tofu. The options are endless and the health benefits immense. From boosting metabolism to promoting muscle recovery, these smoothies are your go-to health drink. So the next time your stomach growls after a grueling game or a rigorous run, remember, a diet smoothie is just a blend away. Sip healthy, stay fit, and keep winning at life. Because as they say, you are what you eat. Or in this case, what you drink.